You've got Wikipedia and this mainstream media attacking something or a topic, then that AI basically says, well, that thing doesn't have expertise, authoritativeness, it's definitely not trustworthy. And so what happens is that your score goes down. And when your score goes down, that means it's very, very hard for people to find the information that you're talking about. Now, this is something that would fit perfectly in a communist or fascist system where centralized planners have absolute control over the information that their citizens are allowed to see. It is completely antithetical to a functioning democracy.